This video tells the complete history of the origins of currency in America. Since the pre-Columbian era, when native cultures employed diverse items like shells, feathers, and salt as exchange instruments, currencies have been used in America. Paper and coin money were brought to America by European colonialism in the 17th century, primarily from England, the Netherlands, and Spain. The colonies created their own paper money to pay for the fight with London during the American Revolution in the 18th century. The American dollar became the recognized currency of the nation when the United States Congress passed the Currency Act in 1792. With a face value equal to its intrinsic value at first, the American dollar was constructed of silver and gold. To pay for the American Civil War in the 19th century, the U.S. government issued greenbacks, paper money. Early in the 20th century, the Federal Reserve Act was drafted, and the Federal Reserve System was established as the nation's central bank to regulate its monetary and financial framework. The Gold Reserve Act, which was enacted by President Franklin D. Roosevelt in 1933 during the Great Depression, broke the link between the currency and gold. The Bretton Woods Conference, which took place in 1944 and established a fixed exchange rate system based on the U.S. dollar, gave the U.S. a dominant position in the global financial system. President John F. Kennedy is featured on the current American dollar, which was first introduced in 1963. The decision to stop using gold as the benchmark for the U.S. dollar exchange rate was announced by President Richard Nixon in 1971. Since that time, the U.S. dollar has lost its link to gold and is now dependent on the international community's belief in the sustainability of the U.S. political and economic system. America also uses other currencies for international trade, including the euro, the Japanese yen, and the British pound sterling. Even though it hasn't yet gained widespread acceptance by the populace, the use of digital currencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum is growing in popularity in America. In America, cash and checks are occasionally replaced by electronic payment systems, including credit cards, electronic transfers, and digital wallets. The use of currencies in America and around the world is changing and evolving due to the advancement of technology and globalization. Great Chronicles channel committed to bringing you the best, most informative content out there, and we promise to keep working hard to make that happen. Make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell. See you in the next video.